Good morning, all of you. This is Ravi, Senior NEET Faculty, Kalam Institute, Rajahmundry. Very happy to share some of the questions from the Zoology NEET point of view. Let me share the questions from the Zoology and discuss the key also. So here the first question is, in chordates during embryonic development, the notocode is options are mesodermal and dorsal to nerve cord, endodermal and dorsal to nerve cord, mesodermal and ventral to nerve cord, endodermal and ventral to nerve cord. So this is the layers which appears on the embryos. You remember that we have three embryos which surrender the embryo. We have three layers which surrender the embryos. You know very well about the triploblast and the diploblast. The categorization of animals based on the layers present on the embryo. If it is presence of the two membranes, that is the diploblast. If it is presence of the three membranes, those are triploblast. Animals, especially mammals and humans, belongs to the triploblast. That means the embryo consists of three layer structure. Outer layer, ectodermal, middle layer, mesoderma, and the inner layer, endodermal. Each layer is capable of the differentiated into the several organs and organ systems. So here the embryonic development is conducting in a pattern of direction. So here we have a developmental direction from mesodermal to nerve cord is the four options is there. Among them, always the human embryonic means among all the chordates embryonic development seems to be mesodermal to ventral region to the nerve cord, and that keep the point to remember it. Always all the chordates, the embryonic development from the mesodermal to ventral nerve cord, and that is the answer of this one. And you keep remember this was a previous NEET question also. And so option answer is the C. And then go for second question. Which of the following animal has four-chamber heart? But the logic is which of the cold-blooded animal? You remember that point, cold-blooded. You know the cold-blooded and warm-blooded. See, options, you remember that the options salamander, ornithorus, and crocodiles, and etc. So here we have most of them cold-blooded and some of the warm-blooded. Question is, among the cold-blooded animals, what is the four-chamber heart? See, reptiles belongs to the cold-blooded animals. They have a partially divided four-chamber heart is there. That means in the four chambers, the down chambers, ventricles, third and fourth chambers are not completely divided into the reptiles. So that in the reptiles heart structure, we have a incompleted four-chamber heart is there. That should be concluded as a partially divided four-chamber heart is there in the reptiles. But in the case of crocodiles, it is also belongs to the reptiles and the cold-blooded animals. It constitute completely divided four-chamber heart is there. So that the answer is the C. Okay. Then go for next question. The component unit of compound eye of insect is called. Remember that the eyes are simple eyes and compound eyes are there. Most of the insects constitute compound eyes. In this compound eyes, we have so many subunits also be there. The subunits are present in the compound eyes or the omatidia. That means option D is the correct answer. What is omatidia is It is the one of the subunit of the compound I. It's the one of the unit of compound I. All together to forms the one ion. See, in this omatidia, we have a photoreceptor cells also be there. Each omatidia capable of the print the image, and all the images collectively together formed as a one image. So that is the importance of the omatidia. So this is the one of the functional unit of the compound I. All the insects are present of this kind of I, isn't it? Then go for next question. Flame cells. Flame cells are main excretory structure of dash. You remember that there was some of the see, what I am telling is excretory organs of various animals. Among the phylums, what phylum should constitute the flame cells as excretory organs? See, we have a Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes or the family of Helminthes. Most of them are belongs to the parasitic family. In this Helminthes, we have two categories, Nematihelminthes and Platyhelminthes. Nematihelminthes is also called as the Aschelminthes. So here the Platyhelminthes presence of flame cells as their excretory organs. Due to the expansion and contractions of these cells, it can able to eliminate the waste products from body. So due to the contraction and expansion nature, it seems to be like flame, so that it is considered as a flame cells. Flame cells are the excretory organs of the Platyhelminthes. So answer is B and D. Next. Last question, fifth question, match the following. So here it is the column 1 and column 2. Some of the examples also be there, and column 1 is the characters also be there. Match the correct answers. So column 1, limbless, reptile, jawless, vertebrate, cartilaginous fishes, and the same cartilaginous fishes repeated, and flightless bird. Column 2, lamprey, salamanders, snakes, shark, and ostrich. Easy to match the question. Limbless reptile, we have a snake, that is the good example for limbless reptile. Jawless vertebrata, see that means jawless vertebrata means we have a salamander is the jawless vertebrate, and D, cartilaginous fishes. Coming to the point, match the following. So match the following. Column 1, limbless, jawless, cartilaginous, flightless. Column 2, lamprey, salamander, snake, shark, and ostrich. So here we have a answer is C, correct answer. C, that means limbless reptile. Limbless reptile. Limbless reptile means we have a snake. Next, B, jawless vertebrata, lamprey, and C, cartilaginous fish, salamanders, and also with D, cartilaginous fishes, shark, best example. And the 5, flightless bird, we have a ostrich. So this is the flightless bird. So we have a 3 birds which are not capable of flying nature. Those are ostrich, emu, and kiwi. These two considered as a rat-tailed birds, and due to the heaviness of these birds, they can unable to fly. So these are the sections are rightly matched. That means C is the answer. So these are the questions of matching of the questions. So there ends the question. And any more doubts, you can freely contact us. Any more doubts, you can freely contact us on YouTube channel or Facebook also be. Thank you very much.